Hey, welcome back to the Handlebar Garden.
What's up?
Today we're going to install some extensions on the footboards.
Yeah, I've used these on my bike for a long time, and Mike was looking at it the other day quite hard, and yeah, it's you'll see what we mean right after this.
As you can see, once I got my foot on, I've got anywhere from half to 3/4 of an inch hanging off of it. To get my foot all the way on, I've got my knee right up against the tank. To ride comfortable, I need more space out here.
Yep.
So I ordered these. They're
Let me find you, Mike. Okay, got you.
Reno is the name brand of them. Just little simple spacers and bolts. The only review I found on these was one person, and they said everything worked, but the bolts did rust. So what I'm going to do is, after a couple of months of using these, I'll give y'all a review and let you know if I'm having any problems with the bolts rusting on me or not. Because you know, if they rust, there's a chance they're going to start getting weak.
And the good thing about it, as far as being able to see it, they'll be under there, so you'll not see it.
You won't really see it. But yeah, they're even stamped on them for the right hand and left hand side.
Yeah.
Alright, this is pretty simple, and we'll get to it right now. You may have to use breaker bar to get these loose. Sometimes they really put the Loctite on them.
Surely not.
And of course, you probably should just find the cheapest ratchet you can get.
It is Craftsman. Here's another Craftsman.
I hope so. This one's got forcers.
Mike probably have to take a breath before he gets that one out. There we go. That is, I'll kind of get down on that. That is abuse of Loctite right there, folks. You don't need that much on there.
Alright, there's the originals.
Let me get down here with you.
Alright. And then you get this pretty simple.
Yeah, it only goes one way.
Yep.
Mike here is going to show you how to use Loctite.
A little bit. Alright, once you get them snug down.
Y'all know what that is, don't you?
I believe this is what? 40,
36 to 42 foot-pounds,
36 to
and
42.
we got it set at 40. Move that fender out of the way.
I think it'll be alright. Alright, there it is. Now, yeah, that provides a whole lot more room. And my knee's not up against it.
Right.
And from out here, I've got more footboard.
Yep. Awesome, but awesome.
I believe that'll work.
Yep. We'll get this other side buttoned up, and we'll be back with our final results.
Yeah, that gives a lot more.
Yep. A lot more room. Stretches you out there, son.
Yeah, be a little more comfortable on a long ride too.
Yep.
Alright, we hope this has helped you out. We appreciate you watching our videos. Thanks for your support.
Give us a thumbs up.
And if you've not done it yet, be sure to subscribe, hit your notification bell, and then when I leave the review on this, you'll be sure to be notified.
Yeah. Be good to one another.